If you're aligning your course to specific standards like CSTA, College Board, or your state framework, AI Creator makes it fast and easy to address standards gaps or target specific skills. From the AI Creator app, I can select Create from Standard. This will give me a list of frameworks that I can choose from and the standards in that framework. Let's say I'm teaching a course that's using the CSTA 3B framework. And let's say the standard I want to address is 3B-AP-10, using and adapting classic algorithms to solve computational problems. I can choose an activity type. For this one, I'll choose exercise. And I can choose a programming language. For this one, I'll choose Java. I can leave this as is and let AI create an activity based on this information, or I can give a little more context. For this one, I'll tell AI, use binary search as the algorithm. And within seconds, AI Creator produces a fully built assignment. It includes a clear prompt in the description, starter code for students, and solution code for you to review. I have several prompts for ways I can adjust this activity, or I can type something else into the box here. For example, I might want to make this activity more engaging and ask AI to apply the concept to a real-world scenario. So I'll say, apply the concept to a real-world scenario. The activity has been adjusted to simulate searching for a book in a library catalog. So it gives an array of a bunch of books in alphabetical order, a target, and then it will return the index of that book or -1 if it doesn't exist. You'll see a preview mode that I can click and test the activity before assigning it. Once I'm ready to assign, I can click the Assign button and choose the course I want to assign it to. And that's it. With AI Creator, aligning to standards isn't a time-consuming task. It's just a few clicks away.